Meet X-Kit, the unlimited robot creation kit with 3D printing. Toys are irresistible for kids, and kids love to create. So why not let kids create their own toys? X-Kit empowers kids to unleash their creativity and to bring their dream toys to life. A multi-platform application allows kids to pick from robots they will love and to build them with parts printed in 3D. The app is compatible with all 3D printers. A preset myriad of elements lets kids experience the fun of 3D modeling and 3D printing in the easiest way. Dozens of programs for different robots are ready to be uploaded. Kids can enjoy and develop new automatic toys with no programming skills. They will learn by playing. X-Kit enlightens kids with the power of creation. More than 60 pre-designed robots are waiting for kids to explore and build up with. Designs can be easily modified through modularized modeling. Drag and snap. Done. Different levels of sophistication progressively encourage kids' DIY drive, as well as their programming, mechanization, and hands-on skills. Custom 3D models can be imported into the designs, offering infinite possibilities. The X-Kit app optimizes STL files and simplifies the printing process. The one-press printing truly lets 3D printing amateurs get a far better experience with the technology. A remote control panel enables users to freely control robots for tasks and for fun. Also, there are more than 40 pre-made programs that they can directly use on the robots. Besides, the graphical programming allows kids to make custom programs intuitively. Designs are built based on the hub with the sockets and connectors. The hub integrates software and hardware such as 3D printed modules and electric components and keeps them running for hours. X-Kit's multifunction opens countless ways to play with robots. Kids can create new and original robots combining parts from each preset design. They can make any scene with robots, printed props, and real-life items. Even a big playground with robots running around. X-Kit is literally a home-based toy factory rather than just a toy. Kids can control robots to accomplish different tasks and even compete with each other. Not to mention more games and usages for you to explore together. Imagination has no limits. Meet X-Kit, an unlimited and customizable toy suite to unleash kids' creativity.